got the McLaren 720S rolling up, man. Sheesh, that looks good on those Vorsteiner wheels. Those oh, they're Vossen, sorry. That is a beautiful car right there. What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here, and we are out at Street Car Takeover in Houston at Houston Motorsports Park. A little 8th mile shootout on the drag strip. Lots of fast cars here, including a nitrous C8. But without further ado, let's get down. Let's check out some of the races and some of the cars that are here. There is some pretty crazy stuff. So let me know what your favorite car in the video is today down in the comments below. Let's get right to it. Kind of an interesting look on this Mustang. It's like all silver. Then the hood and the wing are like eggnog colored. That was a huge wheelie that Mustang just popped. He broke. We got Street Car Takeover booths, and then 1320 booths, and then fast guys going. Got a couple vets outside the Street Car Takeover booth. The C7 ZR1 and the C5 Z06. Both very pretty in their own right. So we got the homie and the Whipple Nova hard parked here at Street Car Takeover, looking good as ever. Got an LPF car rolling out. Twin turbo setup. So one of the prettier cars out here.
Okay.
The healthy amount of turbo.
It's an angle too. Where are you from? Cyprus.
So we got a pretty gnarly looking little C6 over here. The Vortec blower under the hood. So we got the Camaro with the parachute, the Texas speed car. God bless America, brother. Most importantly, God bless Texas. We have the Turbo Fox. Oh my God. There are a couple C8s on the property, so we got that one. I don't know what's done to it. We have the nitrous C8 right there on the newly acquired Ferrata wheels. We got the drag race puppies. Oh my God. What the heck? That looks crazy. Brother. Sounds to be a pro-charged F-body. SVT LOL. Got the nitrous Hellcat here. Hellcat Charger specifically. And then the Hellcat Challenger. LOL, see ya. A little resurfacing the track action. God bless America, brother. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we sit waiting for the eliminations of Street Car Takeover. The first class is the 570 class and the small tire cars. So, hopefully there's some good races. Hopefully we can get some pretty quick passes on camera for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Where is the time? So we got puppies and race cars. Can this day get any better? Raising them right. We're betting money on the races out here. That's awesome.
We are doing first round buybacks. So if they lose this round, they
not bad. Looks like we got a nitrous Hellcat versus some sort of Fox body. So that's the world's fastest Hellcat Charger.
Single four-door, got a big supercharger on too. That Fox body, we'll see what the Fox can do here. Take down the Hellcat.
That Hellcat's cooking.
There it goes.
They're about to throw down.
Sheesh.
We got the 650 class.
Good Lord, that red eye just ripped a massive burnout.
Get it going.
All right, so we got the kids betting on the cars racing out here. Oh, what? That's crazy. And a puppy, race car dogs for the win. We got the race car puppy. Hi, puppy.
I don't know, man. This is gonna be a good race. Honestly, take that on.
So we got the Bullet WS6 versus the single turbo LS240. If I was a betting man, my money would be on orange.
Yeah.
470. Is that a 478? Sheesh. 477 in the right lane. So we got the street truck and SUV class. So we got a little red square body pulling up. And what is that, like an S10? We got Mr. 1320 Fred. Oh, the red truck pulled on the top end. What a run. So we are getting back to the races. Somebody broke down and they had to shut down for a little while, but back in action with the trucks and the SUVs. Alrighty, so the next class up is the stick shift cars. Gonna do some eliminations. Who gonna keep in it? Oops, missed the start, but Ooh, a manual Hellcat versus a New Edge Mustang.
Weight class.
Come on, brother. Got a couple nitrous Hellcats going at it. Challenger versus Charger. I believe this is going to be the heavyweight race, I think. Woo! More heavyweight action. Very pretty CTSV versus a turbo truck. Brother!
Right lane drove around, the left lane having some issues.
CTSV pulled it back together after the truck let off. So that last truck leaked tranny fluid all the way down the track. So, gotta wait for them to clean it again. Twin. After approximately 3.5 years of waiting, we're finally back to racing. Ladies and gentlemen, public PSA, if you brake, you probably know you broke, and stop. Don't go the whole track and leak fluid everywhere.
Right lane with a good tree, left lane drove around them.
Ooh, left lane broke out. That was a millisecond difference.
Left lane.
Both of them broke out. So right lane got it because the left lane broke out a little more than right lane. Got a Mustang with a big ass cow hood on it. Man, that little SUV's cooking. So it looks like we have the fastest Hellcat Charger in the world versus a Fox body. I'm very curious what kind of shot this Charger is actually running. We got Nova on F-body. If I'm a betting man, I got F-body. But I've also been wrong on literally every call I've had today, so we'll see. You have. Sheesh, I was wrong again. Oh my God. Jesus. Sheesh. This truck rolls, but this Camaro also rolls. I'm gonna go right lane. I'm gonna go right lane and see if I lose again. There we go, I finally win a bet. That is a very fast car. Can you just take a moment to appreciate this beautiful Texas sunset? Looks like we got a boosted white Fox body versus a newer black. All right, something tells me these are not supposed to be there. All right, so this next class is the heavyweights. Every car in this class has to weigh 4,200 pounds. Got a Hellcat and a Turbo GMC pulling up. The Turbo truck beat the nitrous Hellcat. Oh my God, that was a run. Brother. Alrighty, so after a quick little starting line touch-up, we got a Supra with an upgraded turbo and a Mustang going at it. It's a 770 class. Mustang got it, but missed a shift in the process. All right, so we got a BMW X5M, it looks like, versus a turbo truck, maybe? That just broke, I think. Oof. Well, if it takes a long time to clean this one up, I think that might be all she wrote. Kind of tired of waiting for 30-minute cleanups, so. So, the truck broke. They sent the BMW by itself. BMW did a full pass, 792. Not bad for a big old SUV. Can take the kids to soccer practice in. Can't break out, brother. Gotta hit those brakes before the finish. The G8 broke out with the 695. That truck was playing it smart and like playing with the throttle, so he ran under or above a 7, I guess. And the G8 ran under a 7. Now he broke out. Alrighty guys, that is going to be the end of the day for us here at Street Car Takeover. I think they still got the semifinals and the finals left over. And it's getting pretty damn cold. So, we're gonna roll out. I'm gonna hop in the Viper and hopefully not die. So, wish me luck. Hopefully enjoyed the video. Let me know what your favorite car in today's video was, or your favorite race. And I guess I'll catch y'all in the next video, guys. See you.